To Witty Smirk. Today we're going over Svelte, and yeah, I'm trying out Svelte today. Yesterday I tried out Views. It's gonna be over here. But without further ado, today we're trying Svelte. I found this nice tutorial by Decode here. The finished project looks really nice. It looks like something more you'd actually make for a product. It's only 55 minutes. We'll see how this goes, but yeah. Cool. So that was much easier to set up than Vue, though Vue has a CLI, so that's pretty nice. But this, you literally just download a template and you can start. It's pretty nice. That's one thing I like about it so far. I don't know if this is this reactive as well. Okay, yeah, it is. So this is reactive just like Vue. I like these hot reload apps. That's one thing that's good about these virtual DOM things. But other than that, yeah. Okay, so far this is literally just HTML, but I know it's gonna do its cool like spell stuff soon, but for now, literally just feels like we're doing HTML. Okay, so this seems kind of like Vue was yesterday, but more JS. It's not all in the Svelte code, it's also in the JS, which is fine, but it might become easier or harder. I'm not sure right now. Okay, this is pretty cool once you get used to it. So like it's kind of weird, but it's it works. It's pretty cool. Interesting.
So, like I said, this store right here, these items are just the samples.
It's a little harder to
shortly with the actual API. So, let's go inside the source directory once again, and we're gonna make a new class containing.
But I like it because it's kind of component based slash module based like JavaScript. It works a lot like JavaScript.
Okay, so
itself.
That being said. save this
Okay.
right here.
So one thing I can say right now, so far, about halfway through the video, is this is a lot more complex than Vue felt. I don't know if it's just the way we're making this from the tutorial, if it's more advanced than the Vue tutorial, but the way Vue worked with the composition API was much better than the way you have to compose it yourself in Svelte. But let's keep going.
An item changes. Okay, so like I said,
The
these
syntax
functions
for
right here
Svelte
are going
is
to be essentially triggered by, or
kinda
these
weird.
two right here, so handle update and handle delete, are going to be triggered by these events up using an event dispatcher.
What I have to say so far is this seems like the way you get stuff in this is a lot like something like C++, where it's safe and everything's and your data is private between different modules. I kind of like it, but I don't know if it's the best for JavaScript front-end framework, honestly. I'm not liking it that much, but I mean, it's working. It's would I use this over HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery? Probably not, honestly. Svelte so far has not been the best thing ever, but that's okay. Not every library is. I see why people would like Svelte, but so far I just don't like it that much. So I'm gonna continue the tutorial, finish it up, and then give you my final thoughts at the end of the video. Okay, so we finished the basics of this. So I've already learned JavaScript, so I'm gonna check it off. But so learn JavaScript, learn Vue, I already did, and learn React is upcoming. And then compare them. So yeah, I have to do these two, but let's say I don't really care about learning JavaScript because I learned it a long time ago. I can just delete it, check off that. So that's the to-do list I made. Again, thanks Decode for the tutorial I followed. You guys should check him out. He's in the description below. And yeah, so overall, I thought that Svelte was a lot less intuitive than Vue that I did yesterday. I honestly didn't like it as much. It felt like it was just an elongated way of using normal HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and it would actually be easier just to use that with some jQuery. So overall, I probably won't be using Svelte that much in the future. It was a good experience. If you guys love Svelte and want to fight me over it, you can put that in the comments section. I'll be there to reply and try out whatever you guys think. But thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you have a good day, and it's been Witty Smirk. See ya.